What's going on, YouTube? EJR here again. Today I'm going to be doing some work on the BMW, mainly focusing on just lowering the bike and getting chain and sprockets on. I'm going to be doing the kickstand, the Brock's lowering links, EK3D 520 GP chain, and the super light sprockets, which, like I said earlier, 17 steel, 45 aluminum. I already removed the side reflectors because those things are hideous. I'm surprised he didn't do that already, but they're off now. I took the mirrors off just so they're not in the way. They're not going back on, but I can't put those back, or the block-off plates on just yet because I have to remove half the front end of this bike. But I'm going to jump right into it. I'm going to get some time-lapse footage for you so you'll see what I'm doing while I'm doing it. It will be in fast forward as usual though. But anyway guys, I'll see you when I get back to you. Alright, and we're back. I went ahead and put on the front sprocket, removed the rear chain and rear wheel. I did the lowering links off camera because that was kind of a pain in the ass trying to get those camera angles, but you guys saw me put the kickstand on. I did run into a snag. I removed the rear sprocket, and then I realized the sprocket he gave me is for a standard BMW wheel, not an HP wheel. So I already ordered the new sprocket, which is the same exact sprocket just for that hub. So I'm kind of dead in the water on finishing the chain in this video, so I'll save that one for the next video. I'll just do a dedicated chain video just for this bike. But for now, what I also did is I removed the rear brake, as you can see. I'm going to remove the rotor, and then I'm going to put some spacers in here just to take up the space so the speed ring, or the sensor, actually reaches the speed ring. Now here's the rear caliper bracket. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a cut right here, and right here. So all of this is going to be gone, and this is just going to be to obviously space the wheel out and hold the speed sensor. And boom, just like that, there's the new bracket for the speed sensor. As you can see, I cut that part off, and this is all that remains. Just a quick chop, some grinding, and a little painting, and it looks pretty good. Now these go in the bag of all the stuff we removed from the rear brake assembly. Here's the rotor, and here's how it looks now. Just some spacers behind those bolts to move the speed ring out so it catches the sensor. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to weigh everything just to see how much weight we pulled off in terms of just related to the brake assembly, the license plate holder, and the reflectors. I'm going to save weighing the chain and sprockets for the next video when I actually install those. That's the sprocket that's useless to me. That has to be replaced. That's the chain. The front sprocket's already on, but I'm going to take it back off for the video. And this here is the old sprockets and the original chain. All right, let's weigh the brake assembly first. Looks like 3.226 pounds. Now let's weigh the rotor. 1.650 pounds. And for the hell of it, let's do his old plate bracket and the reflectors. 0.396 pounds. All right, now that I went ahead and got everything weighed, I'm actually going to cut this video a little short, and I'm not even going to lower the bike in this video, simply because I want to have a cameraman to kind of show you guys a little more detailed on how to do it, because you got to remove these side plastics. It's not very hard, but it's kind of a pain in the ass for me to set up a camera and having to keep moving every time I turn a bolt. So I'm going to get a cameraman here to actually show you guys how to lower one of these bikes. I'm going to ballpark it with the tire back on it and no passenger just to get a general idea, but then when the owner comes to pick the bike up, I'm going to set it again with him on it. Alright guys, that's going to wrap this video up. I know it wasn't as long as I originally said it was going to be due to hitting some of those roadblocks and needing a cameraman. As usual, give this video a like if you liked it, give it a dislike if you hated it and hate me. But alright guys, I'll see you in the next one.